Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is unplug the power cord for safety reasons. On this project, we'll be replacing the ice maker on this Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. First thing we want to do is slide out the ice container. Then the ice cream shelf. Okay, now we're gonna loosen the 1/4-inch screws that mount the ice maker to the refrigerator, and you just loosen them up. Do not take them all the way off because you're gonna slide the ice maker up and then pull forward. Okay, you're gonna lift up and pull forward. Then you have to disconnect the wiring harness, which is pretty simple. Just squeeze the 2 tabs and pull, and that will free the ice maker. To install the ice maker, there's a couple things you need to do. You need to reconnect the wiring harness, and you need to slide the ice maker back on to the 2 mounting screws. Okay, there's your wiring harness that you need to just slide in there. No need to push the tabs, just slide it in there. If it doesn't fit, you might have it upside down. You should slide in there and lock. And there's the 2 where the 1/4-inch screws slide on there. Slide from the bottom up, and you screw them in and tighten them down. There's your wiring harness. There's the 2 screws that you're gonna slide the ice maker on. This is a really simple job. It's not hard at all. It's slid on. The 1/4-inch screws are tightened down. The wiring harness is connected. Really simple job. Your ice cream shelf is back on. And your ice container is slid back in, and the job is done. Okay, I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.